If you need to change your phone number on Dropbox, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is up to date. This will help you maintain account security and receive important notifications. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security tab. This section contains options related to your account security and recovery methods. Step 4. Update phone number. Look for the section labeled Phone Number. Click on the option to edit or change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to ensure the update was successful. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone number on Dropbox. Keeping your account information current is important for security and communication.